The Puba folding exercise bike is a versatile and convenient fitness solution, designed to bring the benefits of a gym workout into the comfort of your home. This foldable stationary bike offers the perfect blend of functionality and space-saving design, making it ideal for those with limited space. Its magnetic resistance system features 8 adjustable levels, allowing users to customize their workout intensity to match their fitness goals. The inclusion of a back support cushion and bottle holder ensures comfort and convenience during longer workout sessions. Constructed with a sturdy X-frame, this upright indoor cycling bike is both stable and durable, supporting a smooth and quiet ride. The foldable design allows for easy storage, making it an excellent choice for home gyms. The Puba folding exercise bike's ergonomic design includes a comfortable seat and non-slip pedals, ensuring a safe and enjoyable workout experience. For customers seeking the best exercise bikes, the Puba model stands out for its blend of quality, comfort, and practicality. It caters to users of various fitness levels and offers an effective cardio workout. To maximize customer satisfaction, it is essential to follow the provided assembly instructions carefully, regularly check and maintain the bike's components, and adjust the resistance levels to suit personal fitness progress. Investing in this foldable fitness bike can significantly enhance your home workout routine, making it one of the best exercise bikes available on the market today. The Geeky Recumbent exercise bike is an excellent fitness equipment choice for adults and seniors, designed to offer a comfortable and effective home workout experience. This indoor magnetic cycling bike stands out for its ergonomic design and user-friendly features. Its recumbent position reduces strain on the joints and lower back, making it an ideal option for those with mobility issues or those seeking a low-impact workout. The bike's magnetic resistance system provides smooth and quiet operation, with 8 adjustable resistance levels to cater to different fitness levels and goals. The Geeky Recumbent exercise bike boasts a sturdy frame that ensures stability during workouts, and its large, cushioned seat and backrest provide maximum comfort. The bike also features an easy-to-read LCD monitor that tracks essential workout metrics, such as time, speed, distance, and calories burned. This makes it easier for users to monitor their progress and stay motivated. Additionally, the bike's step-through design allows for easy mounting and dismounting, which is particularly beneficial for seniors. For customers looking for the best exercise bikes, the Geeky Recumbent exercise bike is a top contender due to its combination of comfort, durability, and versatility. To ensure customer satisfaction, it is crucial to follow the assembly instructions carefully, regularly check and maintain the bike's components, and adjust the seat and resistance levels to suit personal preferences and fitness progress. This bike is designed to enhance the home workout experience, providing a safe and effective way to stay active and healthy. Investing in the Geeky Recumbent exercise bike can significantly improve overall fitness and well-being, making it one of the best exercise bikes available for home use. The Marcy Home Fitness Personal Exercise Bike is an exceptional choice for anyone seeking an effective and convenient cardio workout at home. This stationary bike features an adjustable magnetic resistance system that allows users to customize their workout intensity, making it suitable for both beginners and advanced fitness enthusiasts. The bike's sleek and compact design ensures it fits comfortably in any home gym setup, while its robust construction guarantees stability and durability during intense cycling sessions. One of the standout features of the Marcy Home Fitness Personal Exercise Bike is its user-friendly design. The adjustable seat and handlebars cater to users of different heights, providing a comfortable and ergonomic riding position. The bike also comes equipped with an easy-to-read LCD monitor that tracks essential workout metrics such as time, speed, distance, and calories burned. This allows users to monitor their progress and stay motivated throughout their fitness journey. For those in search of the best exercise bikes, the Marcy Home Fitness Personal Exercise Bike offers an excellent blend of quality, functionality, and affordability. To ensure customer satisfaction, it is important to follow the assembly instructions carefully, regularly check and maintain the bike's components, and adjust the resistance levels according to personal fitness goals. Additionally, taking advantage of the adjustable features to find the most comfortable riding position can significantly enhance the workout experience. With its reliable performance and versatile design, the Marcy Home Fitness Personal Exercise Bike is a valuable addition to any home gym, making it one of the best exercise bikes available on the market. The Sunny Health and Fitness Magnetic Under-Desk Mini Exercise Cycle Bike, model SFB020026, is a compact and versatile fitness tool designed to provide a convenient way to stay active throughout the day. This dual-function pedal exerciser is perfect for those looking to incorporate physical activity into their routine without the need for a full-sized exercise bike. Its magnetic resistance system ensures a smooth and quiet operation, making it suitable for use in various settings such as the office or home. The adjustable resistance levels allow users to customize their workout intensity, catering to different fitness levels and goals. This mini exercise bike features a digital monitor that tracks essential workout metrics, including time, speed, distance, and calories burned, helping users monitor their progress and stay motivated. The built-in carrying handle adds to its portability, making it easy to move and store when not in use. Its dual-function design means it can be used for both arm and leg exercises, providing a comprehensive workout that targets multiple muscle groups. For customers seeking the best exercise bikes, the Sunny Health and Fitness Magnetic Under-Desk Mini Exercise Cycle Bike offers an innovative and practical solution. To ensure customer satisfaction, it is important to follow the setup instructions carefully and maintain the bike regularly. Users should adjust the resistance levels to match their fitness goals and find a suitable placement to maximize comfort and efficiency during workouts. By incorporating this mini exercise bike into daily routines, users can enjoy the benefits of increased physical activity and improved overall fitness. With its compact design and versatile functionality, the Sunny Health and Fitness Magnetic Under-Desk Mini Exercise Cycle Bike stands out as one of the best exercise bikes for those looking to stay active in a convenient and space-efficient manner. The Sperax Exercise Bike is a top-tier stationary bike, designed to elevate your home cardio workout experience. This exercise bike stands out with its exclusive app, which provides an array of interactive workout programs, allowing users to track their progress, set fitness goals, and stay motivated with real-time data and virtual coaching. The silent belt drive ensures a smooth and quiet operation, making it ideal for home use without disturbing others in the household. The bike features adjustable resistance, enabling users to tailor their workouts to their fitness levels and goals. The comfortable seat cushion and ergonomic design ensure a pleasant riding experience, even during extended sessions. Additionally, the bike's sturdy construction and stable frame provide the durability needed for intense workouts, while the adjustable handlebars and seat accommodate users of different heights, enhancing overall comfort and effectiveness. For those in search of the best exercise bikes, the Sperax Exercise Bike is a standout option due to its combination of advanced features, user-friendly design, and robust performance. To ensure customer satisfaction, it is important to follow the assembly instructions carefully, regularly check and maintain the bike's components, and utilize the exclusive app to make the most of the interactive features. Adjusting the resistance levels to match personal fitness progress and ensuring the seat and handlebars are positioned correctly will further enhance the workout experience. Investing in the Sperax Exercise Bike can transform your home workout routine, offering a comprehensive and engaging fitness solution. With its advanced technology and superior comfort, it is undoubtedly one of the best exercise bikes available on the market.